How to change your AliExpress password. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you through the process on how you can change your AliExpress password, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to change your password on AliExpress, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all launch the AliExpress application here. Once you launch the AliExpress app, you just want to come to the account icon from the bottom right hand side of the screen. Once you tap the account option from the bottom right, you just want to make sure to just tap the gear icon that you can find from the very top of the screen. Then here you'll find this option called profile, so you want to make sure to just tap on the profile option. And here you'll find account info, just tap on account info. And then here you'll find this option called password, so just make sure to tap the password option here. And then all you have to do is first of all verify your current password. Once you verify the current password, you can simply enter the new password and then change it successfully. This way you can change AliExpress password. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.